Hey, good morning. It's Saturday. We're at it again. We got two jobs today. It's not going to be too bad. Got this pool cage roadside. Going to start right there. Going to do the outside first. Rinse it all back around. Go inside. There's a lot of green algae in there. It's not too bad. Shouldn't take too long to get done. And today we're sporting the new sticky, icky pine. Oh my goodness. It smells like pine sol. It's going to mask the smell down a little bit of the SH. Really good product. You know where to get it, right? Ameritech. Only place you can get that. And it's the same price as the Apple. The price is not double anymore. It's the same price. So I think it's $22 a gallon. I use a quart per 50 gallons of SH. And you can make a couple thousand off each tank of that, you know. Call Ameritech today, 813-978-0809. Tell them Don from Superblast called. We're going to get started on the outside of this cage. We'll go ahead and review it, see what it looks like before, then we'll see what it looks like after. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's go ahead and have a review of what it looks like inside and out. The outside doesn't look that bad. Got some old leaching up there. We'll get that off of there. We'll get this floor rinsed off. The worst part of it's right along in here. See that? Then we have some across those beams that are black. You can never reach those. The lady lives here obviously by herself and she tries to keep care of it. We'll make it look new for her, all right? We're gonna do the outside first. We'll be right back. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a quick review of the outside. You see that lichen that was up there? I don't see it either. It was all black along the top there. Look how nice and white that is. All right, let's go in here and look how nasty this other stuff is that we didn't see while we were in here, because it's on the other end of the pool. We'll set our thing here so you can watch it get clean. See how nasty all that stuff is there? That's all got to come off of there. All right, let's get after it. Okay, most of the algae's gone. You see all those lesions that are up there? We're gonna let that stuff soak for a little while and let it dwell a little bit. We'll get a little sip of coffee, and the wash jet tip will wash that stuff right off of there, all right? We'll be back with the satisfying rinse. Let's get after it. Okay, and that's how you do it. Downstreaming takes care of all algae, 99% of it. No lesions, no algae. All the black stuff that was across the side of the pool there, you just get it off with the wash jet tip. That thing's amazing what you can do with it. Just be careful. You got to get good at the aim of it. All right, I'm Don from Superblast. We'll see you at the next job. Church parking lot. That ought to be interesting. Let's get after it. Well, I must say, very nice customer. They're very happy with the pool cage. It looks good. And they gave me a nice $50 tip. That's always nice on a Saturday morning. And there are some kind people in the world. Just do a good job, you'll be rewarded. You know what you got to do, right? In order to get a $50 tip, you got to get after it, man. All right, here we are at job number 2, which we're going to pass on because The guy told me it was going to be like 10 parking spots, which I don't know. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10, but there's 20. He said the whole entire parking lot he wanted to get done. It was very small. So I told him it'd be $200 to do a small area like that. Well, I just pulled up here and we're looking at $1,000. We'll see what he says. I'm down for Super Blast pressure washing, and I am almost positive that that's going to be a wrap for today. They won't pay that. All right, see you Monday.